My artist name is MyneAndYours. As a name, it doesn't really make sense, but I guess I kind of like that. Every single person, every one of us, we're all unique in our own way, and we can all do something interesting with our lives. And MyneAndYours is a way to express that idea, that philosophy that we do exist, we are here. I think I was never into following the normal path of life. I never wanted to become a doctor or a lawyer or to do anything that anyone else was doing. Maybe my talent in terms of drawing isn't that great if you compare me to other artists, but it's more how I communicate an idea. The year of '99, one particular album came out. It was a band called The Offspring, the album Americana. And yeah, the album artwork was, it was done by a guy called Frank Kozik. And I remember the album changing everything for me. I remember for my A-level art, I used to just plagiarize his work. Just take his work and just put it on exhibitions and say, yep, it's not my work, but this is the kind of stuff I like. I can't do it the way he does it, but let's go with it. And a lot of my work now kind of has similar undertones to it, where it looks like it's very colorful, it looks friendly in a way, but if you analyze it on a deeper level, or on a social level, I would say, you see there are dark comments in there. I get inspired by something that happens, something you see outside, an experience you've gone through, and it will give you an idea that then you will later develop. The reason I do it all on the computer rather than doing everything by hand and sketching out with a pencil is I'm obsessed with clean lines, and I'm obsessed with everything looking perfect in a way. The cloud is the catalyst behind the entire project. For many people, it represents something different, and that's what I like about it, that people can connect with it in a different way. Skateboarding is a key factor in everything that we did growing up. All we did was go to shows, watch bands, and go out and skate. The lyrics that we were listening to, they taught us things that we weren't learning at school. I guess it defined who we were. I'm sure you all know that. The feeling you get when you listen to a song that you really like and you connect with it in some way. One of my favorite sounds is the sound of a skateboard on concrete. But it's that same feeling that I'm trying to communicate through my artwork. And the whole thing links together. It links together to form who you are. I think the reason I'm so passionate about what I do now is because I was like everyone else. I had an office job, I sat at a desk, I wore a suit. It's all well and good for me to say, quit what you're doing if you don't enjoy it and do what you love. It's really difficult to do that, and it's difficult to survive. Before I had everything. I had a good job, I had security, I had a nice car, whatever it is, and I was miserable. Once I started to develop the work, I realized it's not mine, it's ours. Everything that I'm doing is inspired by the people outside and what's in here, and the whole thing combines together in a way to become mine and yours. I'm wanting more seconds, I'm wanting less sleep, I want to be awake more. I want to continue connecting with people and sending a positive message out. And if I can fill my time with helping others as well as helping myself, as well as sending a message, then that's the future I'm after.